Rasheed is one of those competitors that never gives up. He always brings out the best in you. He's one of those players when even if he's not playing his best, you know you're going to have a good fight and he's going to fight until the end. So it's always nice playing him. And luckily for me, I was able to come out on top. But it's always a great fight.
What do you think made a difference today?
I think it was just the mental because I don't think I was playing as well as I could have. But sometimes you just have to kind of mentally tough it out. And that was one of those.
And credit to Craig, he played his game. He came out and came out strong. And I think, he did what he was supposed to do in terms of executing. It's always a tough battle. His defensive game is extremely strong. I tried different tactics, didn't execute exactly how I want to execute. So I think I just need to go back in the lab and work on it. But full credit to him, he did what he was supposed to do, and congrats to him.
One thing I noticed, and I've noticed in the past couple semis and finals you've gotten in, you're having issues at the net. How are you going to resolve those net issues?
Well, just have to go back in the lab. I mean, it's something I've been actively working on, so I just need to continue working on it. My overhead on the net game needs to just lift up and be stronger. And I think, going into the rest of the year and, early next year, if I can improve that, I think my game will be much stronger.